Three ingredients you need to mix together. No matter your age, you will be the king. These three ingredients are very powerful. They are natural ingredients, but on how you can mix these three, believe me, it works wonders. They are very simple. You can find them anywhere, but all you need to do is to be consistent on taking these three ingredients to get a maximum result. So what are the three ingredients? These three ingredients are tested and trusted. They works. Number one is milk. Number two is banana. And the last is honey. Now, how are you going to do these three ingredients for efficient and maximum results? All you have to do is to bring your blender. Peel this banana as much as you can afford this banana. Let it be many. Peel it, all of them, and slice them so that they can be blendable. Put the banana inside a blender, all of them, and also open a tin of milk. Put it in a blender. Then add 2 teaspoonfuls of this honey. I use this to buy my own honey for my own use. Add 2 teaspoonfuls of this honey inside the blender and blend all. Do not filter, do not boil or heat, just take it natural. The taste is very interesting. It has a sugary taste. So take it, especially at night or in the night. You will have the best results, especially after your dinner in the night. Keep doing this to get maximum results. Do not take it once and expect results. No. You need to be consistent. All these things, they will build your immune system. They will give you energy, and besides, they will also increase your sperm count as a man. They will build up your cell. If there is any wounded tissues in your body system, these ingredients will help to replace your wounded tissues. All these things works wonders. They are natural recipe or natural ingredients. So on how you take all these ingredients consistently, you will always be the best man you want. So try this. They work. If they are not working, I will never come up with this video. They are working. Without telling you people, all these things are working. So try it. They work and they will make you to last longer, have energy, and be the best man you want to be. But the most important thing, these three ingredients will build up your immune system, increase your sperm count. In case if you're having a low sperm count or watery sperm, as you are taking this, it will be a good remedy to that. It will be a good solution to that problem. And besides, energy is sure. So this is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this very channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So thank you for stopping by. If you have questions and comments, drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case if you want to know more about men, consider to subscribe once again. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.